All right, guys, it's Monday morning. It's a cold Monday morning too. As you see, the tailgate has dropped, so you know what that means. We're on a new project. This one's gonna be a little different than you're used to. This is gonna be a mixture of flooring types. We're doing some hardwood, sheet vinyl, and carpet. So come on in the house. Let me show you what we're working on. As you can see, this place has kind of been under construction a little bit. The sink is literally in the floor of the living room. Washer, dryer, all that's in there, guys. Again, this living room here is going to flow right into this kitchen. It's going to have hardwood. It's going to be a beautiful 3-inch darker wood. It's going to go right through here. That laundry area, sheet vinyl. So, now we're going to put carpet in the bedrooms. There's only 3. It's a small house. It's a ranch house, literally on a ranch. It's a horse and cattle ranch out here. This is the master bedroom. It's not a giant bedroom. It's like 14 by 14, but has this walk-in closet here. As you can see, I've already put the tack strip and stuff in, and then again, sheet vinyl going in that bathroom. We're gonna have to put an underlayment on that, so I'll show you how we do all of that as we go. Let me give you a walkthrough. Again, living room, the kitchen, and the dining. We've set this here now. That bathroom we're not going to touch. They've already got it going. Small bedroom, another bedroom going into the closets and whatnot. Putting carpet in it. I'm trying to get this thing ready for a tenant. I think they already have someone in mind, maybe. I'm not sure, but anyway, follow us along. I'll try to keep you informed as we go. Yeah, shouldn't take too long. I think a project like this, 3 or 4 days, we'll have it knocked out. But yeah, stick around with us, see how it goes. If you'll hear the air compressor running in the back, we've got, like I said in the beginning, we've got 2 rooms of sheet vinyl. One's a laundry room, one is a bathroom. You see behind me, this room's already done. We installed 1/4-inch Luan or underlayment, just a 1/4-inch plywood down to give us a smooth surface to cover up this nasty old OSB floor. That floor is kind of rough, got a lot of texture. If you don't, it's going to show through. And as a professional, we don't loose lay sheet vinyl. So we don't want it buckling and rolling up on you after we leave. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. That's what you hear. You hear the air compressor and the gun going. So I better get back to it. Today we're starting on the hardwood. We've been in here this morning, prepped the floors out, scraping up old staples, pulling. They had hardwoods here before. We had to pull a lot of those old cleats and nails out. But we're going to start right in the center of the house here. We're going to work in 2 opposite directions. So yeah, we're gonna start the wood today. We have the padding and all installed yesterday for the carpet. We're going to wait to do the carpet later. We had the Luan in the bathrooms and ready for the sheet vinyl to go down, but the main focus is the hardwood today to get it started at least. And so yeah, this is where we're going to start. We found our center point from Please don't tell my wife. That's a wrap, guys. We are done. This house is over. The ranch house is complete. As you can see, we got this dark chocolate 2 1/4 hardwood. We run it through this dining room, kitchen, and of course the living room. Look down the hall. Carpet installed in 3 bedrooms, this being 1. Transitions, vinyl transition, carpet. Living room again. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's dark, but it's beautiful. Again, another transition. Master bedroom. Master bath. Guys, that is it. We are done. Carpet, vinyl, hardwood. Yes, we still do sheet vinyl and carpet. If you need anything, you need a floor done, guys, call us. Give us a call. Jonathan knows Knowles Flooring. I mean, look at this. And it's time. We're going on to the next one, and I'll bring you along. If this is something you want, give me a call. Thank you, guys.